A global food explorer follows cacao beans from rainforests to bustling carts in Quito's markets, where traditional chocolate makers hum over clay pots. The video reveals how heat, smoke, and sugar unlock ancient recipes taught by grandparents who guarded each recipe like a family heirloom. Viewers meet a young chocolatier who pairs cocoa with citrus and native berries, turning humble street bites into art. Cultural notes explain festivals, myths tying cacao to harvest rites, and the care given to fair trade beans. In minutes, the bite becomes a memory handshaking with history as the city markets glow at dusk.